Good morning, it's Donna, and I am going to do a little demonstration on the needle plate here. This is the standard needle plate, the one that you normally sew with. And then this particular needle plate comes with the Skyline S7 and S9. There's some of the 9000 series, probably the 15,000 and stuff. And this will either sew in left needle position, center needle position, which is what most of us in America sew with, and then a right needle position. And as you can see, I kind of have this one already uh, popped up because I didn't want to have to reach under there and do it for this video. Also notice that when you have this up, you will get a warning on your screen that indicates that the plate is not in. So what I'm going to do is actually put this in here real quick. And once it goes in, I want to show you the changes to your screen. Okay, it goes in and it says that the straight stitching needle plate is set, and to make sure that I'm using the proper presser foot. But notice here that the majority of your screen is now grayed out. And one good thing about this foot or this needle plate is when it is in, it will not allow you to select any of the stitches that will not be able to be sewn. So if I go to the t-shirt over here, for your settings and your preset things, it will not let me select over edge or the blind hem. It's just got the regular seaming, straight stitching type things. So you can use this foot only obviously when you're doing your straight stitching. So if you go over here to the decorative stitches, the only ones that you can do is like your quilting. You can't do any of the decorative quilting stitches. So I know that there have been some questions on using this single needle plate, and if you can hurt your machine doing so. So they're really smart with the way they did it, and I guess it's probably the length or where something in here touches a sensor in there, it knows exactly which plate you have on. So anyway, I hope that helps you. And if you're doing some straight stitching and stuff, and you find that sometimes finer fabrics and stuff get sucked down here, you might want to give the single needle plate a try, and it does help cut down on your project getting sucked down into the hole. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.